Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this channel I'm going to show you a large data set in comparison with my previous videos. So in my previous videos I had like 5 rows of presenting the average and other statistical terms, but in this video I'm going to have 54,900 rows. Let's see, what do we have here? We have article hash, manufacturing country, category, which is similar to the products that I introduced before, VAT, and sales rank. We have order month, we have sales channel, and we have turnover. Let's make it another currency, maybe Swiss franc, and we have sales quantity and margin. So what can I do with this data? Should I don't know, sort them and then look at them each by my eye? Well, for this kind of amount of data, which seems like a retail or a B2C data, and it is even very small compared to that, they can have millions of rows. I wouldn't do that. What can we do first? At first, last time I talked about customer or pocket price, because the customer pays from its pocket. We can calculate the price because we don't see any price here. We see turnover, quantity, and margin. How do we calculate? Well, simply divide turnover with quantity. This is the wrong currency. Then what else can we calculate? We can calculate something called cost that I didn't talk about in my previous video. It is simply turnover minus margin. The margin seems to be absolute value. So I'm just going to Control Shift, drop down. We have the margin formatted as well. And what else can we calculate? Maybe the margin in percentage. That would be simply the margin over the turnover, which is 18%, which seems to be a realistic value. I just dropped down the list. But now I have a price, I have a cost, but what else can I see from this data? Well, I need some aggregation, which I can do the following way. I will insert a new sheet. I will copy the products and I will say data, remove duplicates. Okay, I could do it here as well, but maybe more convenient and the same data sheet. I will just copy them here, say product, and what do I want to see? Maybe I want to see the average price of Apple. How do I do that? I do that with the average. If the equal sign is missing, so I need the range. This is the range to go up again, and I need the criteria. That will be Apple, and I need the customer price. That is where I want the average. Close the parentheses and then hit enter. Is it final? No, not yet. I need to fix the ranges, otherwise when I drop down the formula, these numbers will keep increasing to 3C, C3, 3, C4. So press F4 and then the range is fixed. and then simply hit enter. Drop down the formula, we can see the prices are quite similar. This is more rather a dummy data except for date, which is more expensive. In real life the prices wouldn't be so close, especially for fish. Depends on the type of fish. Grapes can be also more expensive, or maybe all the prices should be a little bit lower because they are too high for a food product. So let's copy the format of Swiss franc. What else can I do quickly and easily for like a sanity check? For example, sum of turnover per product. I can use the sum if formula. Actually, I can copy the formula and just change it to not average if, but sum if also Swiss franc. Well, also very close to each other. Okay, so that was all about in this video. Later I'm going to show you other metrics, also aggregated, and in another later video I will also show you how to do this in an automated and very quick way. Instead of using formula, I will use something else. Thank you very much for your help. Have a nice day.